So for this one, we're going to come straight across. I want you to relax that right shoulder for me. Wiggle the toes. Good. And relax right here. Perfect. You didn't jump off the table this time. That's good. I've got Mr. Cole here today. Mr. Cole's been dealing with quite a bit of low back pain that's now spreading into the groin and some more sensitive areas. Taking a look at his x-rays, his pelvis should be in alignment, which it is. He's got the nice flip-flops on today. Right side maybe a little bit short. So what we're going to do is palpate here. Is that tender at all on the right side?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to do 3 drops on the right here, coming down and out. 1, 2, and 3. And now for the left. 1, 2, and 3. So contacting right upper SI joint down below on the left, we're contacting that ischial tuberosity. Seeing if we made any change in the low back, which we did. And then Cole's main issue is coming from this L4 on the right. And when I push in there today, is that tender at all? Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is take a big deep breath for me. I want you to squeeze those legs together as tight as you can. As you exhale, relax the legs. Good. And again, big deep breath. Squeeze the legs together. As you exhale, relax the legs. Good. And last time, big deep breath. Squeeze the legs together. As you exhale, relax the legs. Perfect. So now we're going to do a lateral flexion drop. So we're contacting his right transverse process. And we're going to do 3 drops here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to have you take another big deep breath here, all the way out. Good. And again, big deep breath, all the way out. Good. All right, I'm going to have you bend up this knee for me. So we're going to stretch out the quads here. Let me know when we get too high. All right. Is that a little bit better there?
Yeah.
Do you still feel a stretch?
Yep.
Good. So what I want you to do is try to bring your knee down to the table. I'm going to resist you. Go, go, go. Relax. Push again. Push, push, push. Relax. Relax, 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 relax. One more time. Push, 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 and relax. Good job. Now the opposite side. I'm going to have the knee bent, coming around, lifting up. Let me know when we get too high.
That's high.
Okay. I want you to push down to the table. Push, push, push. Relax. And again, push, push, push. Relax. And one more time. Push, 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 and relax. We're going to do a little bit of extension to help level out this kyphosis. So, Mr. Cole, what I'm going to have you do is take a big deep breath all the way out. Good. And again, big deep breath all the way out. Good. And last one, big deep breath all the way out. Perfect. All right. So Mr. Cole is nice and level there. I'm going to have you go onto your back for me. Now we need to work on his hamstrings, which is not going to be fun. So I'm going to have you keep the leg straight. Try to keep it straight. There we go. Relax, relax, relax. Let me know when we're too high. Okay, I want you to drive that heel to the table. Push, 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 push. Relax. Good. And again, push, 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 push. Relax. Good. And one more time. Push and relax. So doing a little bit of PNF, so proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation there. Same thing on this side. I'm going to have you raise on up. Push down into my hand. Push, push, push. Relax. And again, push and relax. Last one. Push, 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 and relax. Good job. Okay. So, we need to work on the groin, so I'm going to bend this leg right here. And relax this hip. I'm going to apply pressure here. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if it's too much.
That's too much.
Okay. What I want you to do is try to clamshell close your leg. So bring this knee up. So bring it up. Push, push, push. Relax. Good. And again, push, push, push. Relax. And last one. Push, 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 and relax. Very good. All right. Opposite side, we're going to bend this up. Good. Push in here. I want you to close this leg. So bring it on up for me. Push, relax, relax, relax. Good. And again, bring it on up and relax. Last one. Bring it up and relax. Good, good, good. All right. Mr. Cole beat himself up pretty good, so we got a lot of work to do, but we're getting there.
Girlfriend said she'd kick my ass.
Yeah?
Start fighting again.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend it anymore for right now. Okay. So for Mr. Cole, we've got to do extension in the lower part of the neck. Is that tender there on the right? Okay. And one more. Coming across. Good. Perfect. So neck moved fantastic. We have a lot of work to do on the low back, but all together, Cole's doing great.